Hi everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video here to talk about commercial receptacles and switches and a few other things. Alright, so basically, if you're doing a commercial job and you're putting in your receptacles, you're probably going to be using a Leviton CR20i, which is going to be this one right here. This is a Leviton CR20i, and this is what you're going to see on a lot of commercial or industrial installations. The reason it's called a CR20i, it's commercial 20 amp receptacle ivory, alright? And I believe the model number's on it. No, it's not. This one does not say CR20i. But that is what it's called. This one here is called a CR20W. Now, those are Leviton ones, but there's another company called Pass and Seymour, or PS for short, LeGrand. This is a CR20i by Pass and Seymour. Alright, 20 amp, 125 volt. It's a commercial receptacle. This is what you're going to see in a lot of schools, office buildings, and all those other commercial places, alright? Another one by Pass and Seymour. This is a CR15i. And let me tell you what, this is one tough receptacle. I've dropped this thing, I've stepped on it, I've done, it's taken a beating, and and I gotta say, it's tough. And it's built to withstand these kinds of conditions. Now, the screws, you have to wrap it around. It's got the self-grounding. It says ground wire. And this one here, we'll take number 10 and number 14. Alright. And you can see that it is a little bit rusted. And I've used this one a lot. You can see how scratched up it is. I mean, it's been drop kicked, stepped on, and it still works. And that shows how tough these things are. Alright, now switches. You're gonna, on switches, 20 amp switches right here. This is going to be a 20 amp single pole ivory. This is going to be a 20 amp ivory single pole switch. Commercial grade, alright? Made by Pass and Seymour. 122.77. So most of the time, if it's commercial, you're probably going to have 277. So which means your switches and your receptacles are going to be on completely separate breakers. That's a ivory single pole 20 amp. Now, this is a white 20 amp 3-way. Alright. See? That's a white 20 amp 3-way. The common is here. Then you got your two travelers and your ground. Alright. So there's that one. Now, in terms of boxes, if most commercial buildings, if it's not a red iron building, and it's a block, masonry block building, you're going to see these. These are called tile boxes. It's either a tile box or a masonite box for a masonry wall, and it goes in a cinder block. And then the brick mason, they come and they run their EMT conduit up through there. Once that's all done, you've got one of these, and you got your receptacle like this, and that just sits in the box like that. And they screw that in, alright. And then once that's done, alright, once they're done trimming it out and the painting's done, what they're going to do, see if I can find it here, is, depending on what the architect specifies, you're going to use either a 302/304 or a 430 stainless cover plate. This here is a 302/304. Alright, this is a 302/304. This is a Legrand 302/304 stainless cover plate, wall plate. Alright, and that's going to go like that. Okay, so you got your tile box behind the wall, and then you got your receptacle, and you got your stainless plate over it. And I guarantee you, if you go into a doctor's office, a school, or somewhere, you're going to see this. Now, believe it or not, all the schools I went to, middle school, high school, they all had, I recall seeing the stainless with the ivory receptacles. Alright, and it is, it's a commercial, something about the commercial, the architect or whoever is going to say, use stainless steel cover plates with ivory receptacles. CR20Is with 302/304 duplex stainless plates. And this is what you're going to see the finished product. Alright. And it looks good, let me tell you. It looks good. So, that's that. Now, there are a few other things with the receptacles. You've got, oh, there goes the heat pump. You got wall plates here, like this. Alright. These plastic wall plates are really good for residential. The reason I say that is because in a commercial situation such as a school, office building, a hospital, you've got a lot of people, alright? And this receptacle cover, I mean, if it's a nylon unbreakable, I haven't really seen any plastic wall plates other than, I don't know, the last time, I mean, you see a lot of that in, like, I don't know, but that's that. Now, in terms of the quality and things, you're not going to see a whole lot of plastic switch plate covers like this in grocery stores, malls, schools, hospitals, or any of them other places. Okay. All you're going to see is their stainless CR20s, CR20Is, or CR15s with the, basically this is what you're going to see right here. Stainless cover plate with an ivory receptacle. And I like that. That looks really good. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching. And have a nice day. Bye.